Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of your Wegmans account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open a web browser to get started and go to Wegmans.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official homepage for Wegmans, and if you're already logged into the account and you don't know how to log out or sign out of it, then here's how you can do it. Go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile name at the top right. You'll then be able to see an expanded menu. Click on the sign out button and you will be able to log out of your Wegmans.com account. But remember that only sign out if you remember your credentials for your account so that you can get back to it. That is how you can easily sign out or log out from Wegmans.com within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.